Today is the day you pick up your RV. It will be a day full of excitement and buttoning up open items. We've put together this video to help set your expectations and alert you to a few items you will need to bring for delivery day. On the day of your scheduled delivery, please show up 20 minutes early to allow ample time for questions. Please park in either our front or south side lot. Once you've parked, you and your dedicated sales team will begin buttoning up open items. This consists mostly of crossing T's and dotting I's, but some of it will require driver documentation. On delivery day, you will need to bring with you your driver's license, proof of insurance, and address and telephone number of your home DMV. If you have a trade-in, you will need to also bring your title and registration, your loan account number, all keys and manuals, and maintenance records. In addition to driver documentation, it would be helpful to plan ahead for the following questions. Are you going to be the sole owner? All co-owners must be present to sign the documents. How will you be paying? Beaver Coach Sales will accept cashier's checks, wire transfers, or cash. If you're a first-time buyer, or if it's been a while since your last delivery day, don't forget this process can take a few hours. That being said, please don't forget the following. Try to eat before arriving, but if you forget, we offer complimentary snacks at the front desk. Bring something to take notes, for example, a pad of paper and a pen. And bring a camera. If you prefer to use your phone, ensure that you have enough memory for everything you may want to capture. Next, we want you to know your new coach inside and out, so take advantage of this time to ask lots of questions. Try not to stress about forgetting a question because, at the end of the walkthrough, we will run through a checklist of items to ensure everything has been covered. Overall, we want our customers to be confident and comfortable with their new coach, so that you can focus instead on the adventures you're about to have and the memories you're about to make.